pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have partnered with Fabfitfun to talk to you guys about their summer add-on sale. Now, in case you don't know what Fabfitfun is, which if you've been on my channel you already know because I show unboxings all the time, they are a seasonal subscription box that you can get for $49.99, which they retail, the items that you'll get in your box retails for like over $200. But if you've seen any of my other unboxings, you know that their box is amazing. So if you haven't already signed up for Fabfitfun, check down in the description box. I do have a discount code where you can get $10 off of your first box, making it $39.99 for you to be able to receive the seasonal box. And you'll want to hurry up because the Christmas one, the fall, Christmas, all of that stuff is coming up, and they have, I'm telling you, some really good items that they put in these boxes. So after you sign up, you'll become a member of Fabfitfun. You'll gain access to these like exclusive sales that they do, and that's on top of you getting your seasonal box. You'll be able to purchase stuff from these sales. So they just opened up their summer edit sale, and it's a flash sale that only members can access. So what you would do is go to their site, you'll pick out some of the stuff that you want, and then the items will be shipped directly to your door. They don't come in your seasonal box, it comes separately, but you'll get these items at like a really good deal, and they do sell out fast. So if you're interested, then you might want to jump on that as soon as you're done watching the video. Don't leave yet. Just wait until you're done watching the video, but I'm going to show you some of the items, not all of them, just some of the items that you would be able to purchase at some discounted rates. And before I show you what's in the bag, I had to scan through my notes. I almost forgot to tell you guys so that I can read it word for word. If you all, it says if you're already a Fabfitfun member, you can upgrade to an annual subscription to gain early access to the edit sale, which is every season. If you're not a member, sign up for the annual subscription today to receive early access. And like I said, it's worth it because everything will go fast, and the codes and all of the stuff that you need to sign up will be down in the description box. Okay, so let me get this bag and I'll show you what they sent me. So here it is, and I'm just going to grab whatever I see out of this bag first, and we'll go from there. So the first thing that I see is some Living Royal socks. I love me some socks. So these are super cute. They have the little llamas on the front. It says no drama llama. And on the back, on the bottom of this sock, it says Living Royal. Okay. So I really like these. And if you like socks and stuff like me, then you'll definitely want to go ahead and grab these. Okay, the next item that I pulled out, it says cardigan, and it's still packaged and everything. I have not opened anything, so let me go ahead and get this open. Okay, let's see what this is. So far I can say it's really pretty. It's by Style Stalker. Looks like that. It says what white one size. Yeah, Style Stalker. Okay, so what I can say off the top is it is so pretty. It's like lace. Look at that. Look at the detail on that. Oh my goodness. And it has this design on it. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the sleeves. Okay, now I wish I could try it on for you guys. Let me throw my arm in there. Look at how that sleeve will look. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, I am in love with this, and I haven't even worn it. And then you have this detail at the back of the neck, how it has that like patch right there. It's super long. The bottom looks like this. Isn't that detail pretty? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And I love that it's like that cream kind of color. Ooh, and it's an open front, so there's no closure or anything, and that is the trim down the front. Okay, this is really pretty. I'm so happy that they sent this. This is beautiful. So if you like stuff like this, or you're interested in this, then like I said, these items are probably gonna sell super fast, so you might want to go ahead and grab one of these. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. Okay, so the next thing I pulled out the box, it says Bindle. When I first seen it, I thought it said Kindle. I was like, is this a Kindle? I used to have a Kindle. I didn't use it as often. it's just not as fun as having an actual book in my hand. I just couldn't get with the Kindle. But anyways, this bindle is this thermos. Okay, I like that. And then inside the box, I also see a straw and a top. So let me put this down. So it looks like you can switch it out. You can either carry it with the top like this, so you'll have the handle and it is a stainless steel like thermos on the inside, or you can switch it out and put the straw in there with the top like that. And let's see, does it, yeah, and then that part pops up, so you'll actually have a straw with the carrying thing on the handle, so your finger can go through there. I like that. So I've never heard of the Bindle brand. I'm not too familiar with it, but from what I can see, it looks really nice and sturdy, and it's heavy. It's actually heavy. So I think this is super cool. And yeah, if you're familiar with Bindle, then you probably know this is like a good thermos. Then the next thing I pulled out the bag is by Levite. It says inspired by nature, tea tree for all skin types, lavender, tea tree, and black cumin seed skin balm. Okay, revive, nourish, and protect. Okay, let's see. So it says it has all kind of benefits, and it is in a jar. Like my phone, I always get text messages while I'm recording. So this is what the jar looks like, and it's a balm. Let's get that open. Ooh, oh my gosh, it smells like tea tree. Like if you're familiar with the smell of tea tree, my phone, if you're familiar with tea tree, then you know what this smells like. But it's it has also like a eucalyptus type of a fragrance. Oh my gosh, this seems like it would be really nice to put on after the shower, maybe up in this area. It probably will help you sleep. I'm not too sure. I'm not familiar with this product, but from what I see and what I can smell, it's really, really nice. It says let me see, dermatologist approved and for all skin types. So I'm liking that. The next item that I pulled out is by Tech Candy, and it says triple header maxi premium 6-inch long woven USB cable. Now I go through, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I go through USB cables like quickly, and I don't know why, but I think when you have teens and older kids like I do, they tend to disappear. They either disappear or they get tore up. I don't understand it, but that's, yeah. So if you need an extra USB cable, you might want to grab one of these because yeah. So this one comes with a micro USB. It has all different kinds of, you know, so it'll fit most phones, and then it has the port right there. So I mean the USB, I called it a port. So it has the USB and then the micro USB. So there's different ones. It says got things, this cord charges all the things. That is so funny right here. So yeah, I like this. The next item is this makeup bullet. I remember when I first seen these in, I don't know where I was at, maybe Sephora or somewhere, and I was like, those are so weird to me. But I tried one and I actually liked it. I don't know what happened to it, but I did use one of these before, so I'm kind of happy that I got some more so I can work with these, especially because you put it on your finger and it's really nice to get in the corners like of your, you know, your eyes or whatever. So this says the makeup bullet high def cosmetic finger sponge, and how many is in here? It looks like there's, yeah, 3 of them in here. Apply flawless makeup fast, and it's hypoallergenic, latex free, washable, and reusable. So they're basically just a beauty blender that you can put on your finger. The next item in here, which I'm sure is going to sell out fast, is the wireless speaker. It's called the Gramercy, and I love, now I'm gonna just tell you, we have these kind of things all around the house. We have one in the bathrooms because they're all Bluetooth. So I mean, whenever my family, we're music heads. Like I'm telling you, my sons cannot go in the bathroom to take a shower without taking their phone, throwing on some music on the Bluetooth, and having the bathroom like a club. Yes, we are guilty of that. So these little speakers like this, and Christmas is coming, this will make a good gift to give to teens or to your partner or whoever. I love these in the kitchen, just all over the place, because you can carry them wherever and just, you know, pair it with your phone or whatever device you have and have your music going. So this is nice. Wireless speaker. It's by, I think that's LSTN Listen Sound Company. Never heard of this brand. Bluetooth 4.2, 6-hour battery life. That's good. Built-in microphone. Okay. And onboard controls. Okay, and it has a lifetime support. Okay, so I'm liking this, and this is definitely, if you don't have one of these, I'm recommending that you get you a Bluetooth speaker and put it somewhere in your house. Like, you need one of these. You have to have one of these. Okay, so the next item I pulled out is by Band of Gypsies, and it looks like it is another kimono. But this one is, okay, this one is different. So this is the one that just has the rounded neck in the back, and then you would just drape this part around the front of you. But the pattern on that is beautiful. Look at that. I love colors on top of black like that, like how it, because it makes the colors pop. So let's see. You basically would just put it on the back like that, and then these straps, these pieces right here, fall in the front of you, and then your arms come through it like that. You guys know what this is. But it's really pretty, and it's long, and I love the colors of that. Look at that. Really pretty. So this is also an item that you can pick, and it's really long. And did I tell you the name of it? Yes, I did. I said Band of Gypsies, and it is one size fits all. The next item is by Soon, and it says strawberry lip mask with collagen. I love lip mask. I use those often, and it's just a little lip mask that you put on, and then you leave it on for about 5 minutes, and once you peel it off, and it doesn't hurt or anything, you just kind of pat the remainder of the serum on your lips, and it helps to moisturize your lips. So I've never heard of this company. Soon. I want to get these open. Okay, so this is the packaging on that. Isn't that cute? Look at that. It looks like some little lips. I love that. Now my other one doesn't look like this. This is cute, and it's strawberry lip mask with collagen, and you get 20 pieces in here. Let me see how you open this. Okay, so I got it open, and I'm not going to take the seal off because I do see some of the serum in there kind of moving around, and I don't want it to spill out. But they give you the little tweezers, and because they're kind of like, you know, thin, you use the tweezers to pull one out, and then you just lay it on your lips. I love these. And on top of lip scrubs, this is like by far my second favorite thing that I need for my lips is lip scrub and these cute little lip masks. So I'm hoping, like I said, I didn't open it, but I'm hoping they smell like strawberry. But these are really cute. Next up is some body lotion by a company called Float. Never heard of them before, which is another reason why it's good to get these subscription boxes, because you get products that you may have never heard of that work really good, and it's just fun to try out. It says William Rome on the back. Not sure what that is, or if that's the name of the company. I don't know. It says 7 fluid ounces of subtle refined body lotion formulated with certified Hawaiian deep sea water. Okay, Hawaiian deep sea water. Let's see. Oh, it smells so good. It has a really light scent, but it has a tropical, it smells tropical but really light. So if you don't like a strong lotion, this will be perfect for you. This is like the perfect summer lotion because it has that light tropical scent, but it's not too strong. Let me see how it feels, because I cannot stand a really super thick lotion that feels like it has like a residue. Okay, this is very, oh, it smells good. It's thick. Okay, it's thick, and it's really moisturizing. I can tell the difference already just in my hands, the way my hands feel. And it's not sticky, so I like that. Okay, I like this. So Float float on. We are almost done. I only have 4 more items. The next one is by Gibson and Den, D-E-H-N, hand soap, and it's in the fragrance Coastline. 8 fluid ounces. If you've used this before and you know about this brand, if you think it's good, then you might want to check it out, get it on sale. I'm not familiar with it, but I'm sure it's really nice. I can just tell by the way it looks. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like a cologne or a perfume or something. That smells really, really good. And it's called Coastline. It had that fragrance of like the beach or something like that. So yeah, this is cool too. Next up, I'm sure you guys are all familiar with the Milk products or Milk makeup. This is a luminous blur stick, and it's in this little container. It's still sealed shut, so I'm gonna keep it sealed shut. It's just a blur stick. And yeah, so if you're looking to find one of these on sale, then now's the time to get it. They also have Ofra, which is a really good brand, and this is a highlighter. It says liquid to baked formula creates show-stopping pigments that melt into the skin. So let me see what this looks like. That is so pretty. So this side is a mirror, which I will cover up, but look at that. Okay, my camera is acting crazy, but look at those colors. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And there's like 5 different colors on there. Okay, highlighter Beverly Hills, that's what it says on the back. I can't wait to mess around with this. And last but not least, this is called Aloe Up, and it's a sunscreen lotion. It says aloe based, lightweight formula, water resistant. It says 80 minutes under that, and broad spectrum. So this is good to have, especially if it's the summertime. I mean, if you're taking a trip, if you're going somewhere, this is definitely good to keep with you, and especially with aloe in it. So yeah, and it's 4 fluid ounces. So that is everything that they sent to me, which you can find on their, you know, sale, in their sale on their website. And like I said, this is not everything. They do have other items. This is just what they sent for me to share with you guys. So you might want to go check these out, as well as the other stuff that they're offering, because I mean, Fabfitfun is amazing. Like I said though, you do need to be a, you know, a member to access this stuff, and I do have a discount code down below. So there'll be a discount code to get 10 off your first box, and then there'll also be another discount code for the edit sale. So make sure you check all of that out down there. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you real soon in another video. Bye.